Welcome back to another tutorial. I've partnered with Creme of Nature to show you guys how I get my super voluminous and defined braid outs. You guys know I love braid outs. It's my go-to natural hairstyle. So I'm going to walk you guys through my full routine of how I get it perfect every single time. So I'm using the Creme of Nature coconut milk collection, and this collection is formulated without sulfates, mineral oil, or petroleum. So for starters, of course, I'm going to start by cleaning my hair. So I'm using the Creme of Nature Detangling and Conditioning Shampoo. And as I'm in the shower, I also like to do 2 lathers of shampoo. I always find that, clarifying my hair before I do any type of style really determines the cooperation of my hair and the longevity of the hairstyle. So with this shampoo, I really liked how it was super sudsy. I love sudsy shampoos, and it didn't strip my hair considering the fact that I like to do 2 lathers. Next, I'm going to be taking the Creme of Nature Detangling and Conditioning Conditioner, and I'm going to apply that all over my head. And I also love to detangle my hair while I'm in the shower. So as I'm applying the conditioner, you're going to be seeing me use my praying hands method, and this just really helps me kind of spread the conditioner throughout all the strands. I like to really make sure I saturate my hair in conditioner. I use way more conditioner than I do shampoo, simply because I want my curls to be moisturized as I'm in the shower. And this also really did a great job with helping me detangle my hair, because I do like to go in with my paddle brush and just kind of go through the curls, and this also helps make sure that the conditioner is evenly distributed throughout the hair. Now moving on to styling, I'm going to be using the Creme of Nature Hydrating Curling Cream. I love using cream-based products when it comes to my braid outs because it provides that soft-to-touch feeling, which is exactly what this cream does. It's rich in moisture, provides shine, and provides soft, defined curls. It also gives long-lasting hold and provides curl elongation. So that is perfect for this braid out. So I'm going to be applying that all over my hair, and then I'm going to divide it into 2 more sections and detangle it just to make sure that I'm distributing it throughout all the strands. Next, I'm going to be taking my Creme of Nature Curl Quench Foaming Mousse, and this is like my secret weapon when it comes to my successful braid outs. I love using foaming mousses over gels because not only does it dry a lot faster, but with this particular foaming mousse, it definitely gave me shine, moisture, and hold, and it gave me that soft to touch feeling, which is so much better than that crunchy feeling that gels give you that you have to kind of scrunch out for the first few days. But with this, oh my goodness, it's so much better than a gel. So I just apply that to every single section, and I love to do my pattern of 7 medium braids in this technique because it gives me that perfect round voluminous shape at the end. next I'm going to be taking the Creme of Nature 24-hour edge tamer. Not only do I use this on my edges, but a nice trick I like to do now is kind of add the edge control to the ends of my curls. If you have loose curls, this will definitely help, you know, keep it in place without unraveling throughout the night. So definitely try this out. It also keeps it from being frizzy at the ends as well, which I love because I don't like frizzy ends. So I do that on all the ends of my hair. And another thing I love about this edge control as well is it didn't flake on me. And that's really key when it comes to edge control because I apply edge control every single day. Moving on to my favorite part, the takedown. I did end up sitting under the dryer for 1 to 2 hours, and then I air dried for the rest of the night, which is key to a successful braid out. You want to make sure it's 100% dry. So now I'm taking my Creme of Nature Essential 7 treatment oil, and this oil has coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, shea oil, and sunflower oil. And I love this oil because it definitely provided great shine with my hair, and I love to make sure I coat my hands in it really well because it does help reduce frizz as I'm taking down my braids. So as I'm taking down my braids, look how much definition I have. Like, shout out to Creme of Nature if you guys have been rocking with me for a long time. If you remember my very first video on YouTube, I have been using Creme of Nature since the beginning of my natural hair journey. I love Creme of Nature because of its affordability and the longevity, and every time I use their products, it never fails me. So shout out to Creme of Nature for sponsoring this video because I absolutely love them, and they are the OG when it comes to natural hair products. So now, after I've unbraided all my hair, this is how it looks like. Look at that shine and definition. But I am not complete. I'm going to make sure I go through, pick the hair out, but before I pick the hair out, I like to go in and kind of separate each chunk into individual strands. This also helps with adding volume to your hair. And then I go in and fluff it out even more. This is my final result, you guys. First day, beautiful, big, defined, soft, voluminous braid out curls. Thank you again to Creme of Nature, one of my favorite brands ever, for sponsoring this video. Let me know what you guys think about this braid out and the technique and the routine down in the comment section down below. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.